This is a Pisces Crystals Gift Set. Shout out to all the Pisces, but they do have all the other zodiac signs as well. So the box that it comes in, I usually don't like doing unboxings because I think they're boring, but this, because it is a gift, I think it's important to see if you are sending it directly to the person to see what it's gonna look like for them. So right off the bat, it looks like a gift. And then once you open it, it's a cute little happiness grows here. And you take it out and you see the actual gift set box. So this is the Pisces box, February 19th to March 20th. And you open it up and it's really nice because I, for one, am new to crystals and I was interested in learning more about them, and I figured why not start with some that are supposed to be more compatible with me according to my zodiac sign. So it tells you get 6 crystals here. You actually get a lot of cute little things in here, but I will show you the crystals. This is what the box looks like. You get 6 nice sized crystals, and each one there is a little description of what the crystal is for, which is awesome. And so you can see, like, these are nice size, they look nice, they're sparkly, they have some weight to them. And then it also comes with a little carrying case if you don't want to keep it in the box, either or, which is nice. It comes with this, it's almost like a little just woven sack here. And then also it has these little inserts with it, just a little kind of a greeting card. And it also has a Pisces card, shows you the Pisces constellation, or like I said, the other zodiac signs. You can pick which one. And so it gives you just lots of little characteristics and things about the certain zodiac sign that you buy. And then it also outlines all the crystals for all the zodiac signs, just a booklet to go over all of the different sets. And then again, you can go to the specific one that you have to read more about the crystals. So I really love this as a starter set, as a thoughtful gift. I think it's definitely one of those things that I would love to get, which I did. I did get this for my birthday. But even as just as a treat to yourself, just if you're looking to explore crystals, I think this is definitely a nice place to start for sure. But I really love it and I can't wait to use them for different things.